A medical examiner testified in the 8th day of the murder trial of Michael Bever today. News on 6's Taylor Newcomb was in court.
The medical examiner who performed the autopsies on parents David and April Bever says there's no way to tell how many knives were used or how many people were involved in April's death.
Keep in mind that this is his family, and he's hearing about the very difficult details, and I think sometimes attorneys and people in the courtroom lose sight of that he's a person. He lost members of his family, and it is emotional for him.
Dr. Joshua Lanter showed a diagram outlining where April Bever was stabbed 48 times, including in the back, chest, neck, face, and head. Lanter says she had defensive wounds on her hands, so many that he says the skin was hanging off. He says April also had blunt force trauma and internal bleeding. Michael became emotional as the medical examiner detailed the injuries to his mother. We also heard testimony today from a former Broken Arrow police officer who went to a gun shop in Broken Arrow to pick up 3 guns Robert Bever ordered online. Carlos Lozano says Robert ordered 2 handguns and a shotgun, but hadn't picked them up yet. We've heard from 20 witnesses from the prosecution so far, and we'll hear from even more tomorrow. I'll be in the courtroom and I'll bring you all the latest updates. On the scene on the story at the Tulsa County Courthouse, Taylor Newcomb, News on 6.